everyone! Let me show you 6 fun games using clothespins. For games 1, 2, 3, and 4, you need a pen, 10 clothespins, and wooden or cardboard circle. For game number 1, write numbers 1 through 10 around the circle. Now the kids need to match the number on the clothespin to the number on the circle. To make it more challenging, you can write the words on the back of the circle, ask kids to read and match. For game number 2, draw 10 shapes around your circle. Use the clothespins to match the shapes. On the back, you can write the words. Let's make a color wheel for game number 3. To make it more difficult, write the words of the colors on the back of your circle. For game number 4, we need some stickers and scotch tape. It's a great activity for kids who love animals. Let's do some laundry for game number 5. You will need a shoelace or a string, construction paper, scissors, clothespins, and 4 cans. Let's cut out the outfits for matching. Once the child finds a match, use the little clothespins and clip them together. Now the kids need to build a drying rack. Now kids can take their outfits and hang them to dry. For game number 6, you need markers, clothespins, scissors, and cardboard. Ask your kids to color it. Match the number of clothespins to the number written on the star. Kids can make as many stars as they want. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye!